First step to this montage is get every one of these dudes taken out. We're gonna get all these out of here and pull this piece of plastic off. After you got all the little push clips and all the dead bugs out of the top of your grill, you remove these 6 10mm up here front and center. Take these dudes out. Okay, these dudes can be kind of difficult to get out, but they come out, they're shaped like an L. They come out from this side forward. If you can't get your fingers in there and pull this dude out, a trick is to grab an Allen key, put it in back here. This one is a 5mm. It doesn't matter, but just give it a quick little pull this way. And try not to break it. And they go fine, but they come out. Just to kind of show you how these are made, see they got the little flap that goes in on this side, and then this side's got a clip that snaps on. So with that Allen key, you're just kind of pulling on this side to get it around. Take it off and expose that bolt in there we got to take out. For this part, you're going to want to get an extension on, because those dudes are in there pretty deep. Mine's overkill, but you're gonna need an extension. I forgot about these two right here on the headlight, but there's two 10mm on each side. Right here at the beginning of the headlight bezel, kind of pulling the grill and the headlight together. If you have a shorter socket, like a mid-length socket, you'll probably be okay, but all I have is this deep socket, so you're going to want to break that off and only go so far. If not, you will get your ratchet pinned in here and break something. So just take it off so far and get it off with your fingers, or put a shorter socket on it. Just like that, right there. Freeing up that side. What I mean by, so you only have so much space back here on your ratchet. So when you start to loosening this off, you're going to push your ratchet into your frame there. So just break it loose, get it so far, take your ratchet off, and take it off the rest of the way. Don't ask me how I know that. So you can use the other grill for reference, but I like to get a hold down here low on each side, kind of like so. One down here, one right here. Give it a pop off, just like that. And there you go, you got your grill off. So if you see right here on your headlight, this works as a ram air for your intake. And AM off-road, I don't know if this was on purpose or not, but you can see here the inserts, whether you want to leave it or not. I'm probably going to take them out just so I'm not losing that, but they are removable with a Phillips head. You can take these dudes out of here, 4 screws, pop it out, and the rim air still will be in effect. Part of the installation process is you get your factory grill and you need to remove these dudes off of it and put them on your new grill. Remove these 4 clips off of your core support because the AM off-road grill comes with its own. Also, what needs to be transferred over to the AM off-road grill is these studs that go through the headlight housing. Get you a 5/32 standard socket and put it on the splined end, and the studs thread right out. Installing the new grill on the truck, I just pay attention mostly to these 2 pins here and here, and then I'm going to watch each one of my clips as I push them in. But make sure you get those studs lined up. Go ahead and get your 6 screws back installed into your core support and the new grill. Grab your 10mm that go through the headlight housing and onto the stud and get them started. Close your head and show off your new grill.